Hello everyone, this is the LeetCode problem, reconstruct original digits from English. Given a non-empty string containing an out-of-order English representation of digits from 0 to 9, output the digits in ascending order. Input contains only lowercase English letters. Input is guaranteed to be valid and can be transformed to its original digits. That means invalid inputs such as ABC or zerone are not permitted. Input length is less than 50,000. Example 1. This input is 012 shuffled in random order. Output 012. Example 2. This input is 45 shuffled in random order. Output 45. Here is a table. I listed all the numbers and letters. It will help you to find the pattern. There are some letters only exist in certain numbers. For example, Z only exists in 0, X only exists in 6, W only exists in 2, U only exists in 4, and G only exists in 8. By counting how many of these special letters in the given input, we know how many of these numbers are there. Some letters exist in more than one numbers. For example, F is in both 4 and 5. We know the number of U is the number of 4. So the number of F minus the number of U is the number of 5. H is in both 3 and 8. We know 8 by the number of G, so 3 is number of H minus the number of G. S is in both 6 and 7. We know 6 by the number of X, so 7 is number of S minus number of X. There are only 1 and 9 left. 1 is number of O minus 0 minus 2 and minus 4, and 9 is number of I minus number of 5 minus number of 6 minus number of 8. This is not the only possible pattern. Some numbers has other possible combinations. Once we have this pattern, the code is very simple. First, we count the occurrences of each letter. This is the pattern for numbers 0 to 9. Then add numbers in the result. Thank you for watching.